Wow! CityU ranking 63 in QS ranking. It's definitely my top choice.
Wow, CityU must pay you so well to make this animation.
Me? No, the artist gave it to me.
Me? The artist? Everyone can be the artist. Do you know who is the real artist? It's generative AI. Hi guys, I'm Professor Guo, an assistant professor at the Department of Computer Science. Before we start today, let me show you another video.
What can you tell me about this sculpture?
The sculpture you're seeing is called My World and Your World by Eva Rothschild, located in Lewis Cubitt Park in London.
Everything you're seeing in this video, all the dialogues, the responses, all come from the magic of generative AI. These AI models can be your friends, your teachers, or even your personal assistant. You just need to type or talk to them and they respond. We actually have lots of powerful models for generating text, image, and even videos, like Midjourney, Kling, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and so on. Take a Midjourney for example, you can bring any photo to life just by giving it a simple prompt. Once you have learned through the basic operations, you are able to create your own content right here, right now. Using AI seems simple by just typing a few words. Have you ever wondered what's the secret behind it all? Generative AI didn't come from nowhere. Let's talk a little bit of history. In the 1940s, the idea of artificial intelligence was born. Then come big breakthroughs like backward propagation, convolutional neural networks, and of course, the transformer architecture in 2017. And then, thanks to OpenAI, to bring ChatGPT, a famous generative model out of the research lab into our everyday lives. So, how does this model actually work? Well, they learn patterns from tens of thousands of data, kind of like how we go from childhood to university and keep learning through our whole life. These models are trained on massive data collected from the internet, and by using probability and deep neural networks, they figure out what to say or generate next based on what they have seen before. So come and join us, understand what generative models are, get hands-on, explore how they work and where they come from, and let's unlock the full power of generative AI. Peace!